Hello, hello. Welcome back to the Slow Talk podcast. I am Amelia, and I am feeling very energetic today. Why? Because the weekend is almost here.
Me too, Amelia. My calendar is full of big ideas. I want to go to the new art gallery, then eat a huge pizza, then go to a party, and maybe, if I have time, sleep.
Slow down, Ethan. That is a lot of plans. But let me ask you, how do you invite your friends? Do you just send a message saying, "Come to the pizza place now"?
Well, yes. I'm hungry, they're hungry. It's simple, right?
It's simple, but it's not very social. In English, we have different levels of inviting people. Sometimes we are formal and sometimes we are informal.
Oh, like wearing a tuxedo for a party and wearing pajamas for home.
Exactly. Today, we're learning the Pajama English and the Tuxedo English of making plans. We will use phrases like, "Would you like to?" "Do you fancy?" and "How about?" But before we help Ethan with his busy weekend, let's talk to our wonderful listeners. Friends, everyone has a different social battery. Some people love big parties, and some people love quiet nights. What is your perfect Saturday night? A. Going to a loud concert with 10 friends. B. Staying at home, watching a movie, and eating popcorn.
Yes, tell us in the comments. I'm definitely option A. I love noise. What about you? Write your answer. I prefer option A because, or I prefer option B because.
We love reading your preferences. And here's a bonus question. What is the last plan you made in English? Was it easy or was it a bit difficult? Let us know.
Okay, Amelia, I want to practice. I want to invite you to the cinema this Friday. I will use my Tuxedo English. Amelia, would you like to go to the cinema on Friday night? There is a new superhero movie.
Ethan, I'm sorry, but I can't make it on Friday. I have a very long meeting at work.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess I will go alone then. Bye-bye.
Ethan, stop. Don't be so sad. In English, when a friend says no, the conversation is not finished. This is the secret of negotiation.
Negotiate? Like a business deal? I give you $5, you give me the movie?
No, not exactly. It means you suggest a different time or a different activity. You can say, "Oh, I understand. How about Saturday instead?" Or, "Are you free on Sunday morning?"
Ah, so I hit the ball back to you. How about Saturday afternoon, Amelia? Are you free then?
Yes, that is perfect. But what if I don't like superhero movies? What if I want to see a documentary about cats?
A documentary about cats? For 2 hours? Ah, okay. I need to learn how to say no to the cat movie, but stay polite.
We will learn exactly that in the next part. We will talk about "I'd rather" and "shall we."
I'd rather. Okay, my brain is ready. Stay with us, friends, because we're going to plan the ultimate weekend, and I promise no 2-hour cat movies. Don't go anywhere. We're coming back after a short break.
Welcome back, everyone! Now we are in the deep dive. This is the part where we look at the words very closely. Ethan, are you ready to plan our weekend?
I am ready, Amelia. I have my notebook, I have my pen, and I have my, Tuxedo English ready.
Great. Let's start with the first step, checking availability. Before you invite someone, you must ask if they are busy.
Okay, so I don't say, come to my house.
No, Ethan. Try these. Are you doing anything on Saturday? Or what are your plans for Sunday?
What are your plans for Sunday? Okay, that is easy. But Amelia, what if I want to sound more modern, more pajama English?
Good question. For friends, you can say, "Are you free?" or "Are you around this weekend?"
Are you around? I like that. It sounds like I'm a cool Londoner.
Friends, did you hear that? "Are you around?" means, "Are you in the city and not busy?" It's a very common B1 phrase. Now, let's look at the invitation. Ethan, give me 3 different ways to invite me to a coffee shop.
Okay, let me think. Would you like to go for a coffee? How about getting a coffee? Why don't we go to that new cafe?
Claps. Excellent! "Why don't we" is one of the best ways to make a suggestion. It's not a command, it's an idea.
But, Amelia, wait. If I say, how about, do I say, how about go? Or how about going?
Brilliant point, Ethan. This is a big grammar rule for our listeners. After "how about" and "what about," we always use the ing form.
Ah, so how about drinking coffee? Or what about watching a movie?
Exactly. But after "why don't we use the normal verb. Why don't we watch a movie? Now, imagine I say, "Yes, I'd love to, but I don't like coffee. I prefer tea."
You don't like coffee? Amelia, are you okay?
It's just an example, Ethan. But look, I am negotiating. I am changing the plan. How do you respond?
I can say, no problem. Let's go to the tea house instead.
Good. Or you can give me options. This is very polite. Would you prefer the tea house or the park?
Would you prefer?
Friends, let's practice this. You are planning a dinner. Which would you prefer? Italian food or Chinese food? Write your answer in the comments using the full sentence. I would prefer because.
Yes, I want to know. I would prefer Italian because, well, pizza.
Now, Ethan, let's practice the hardest part, saying no.
Oh, I hate saying no. I feel like a bad person.
You are not a bad person, Ethan. You are just a busy person. To say no politely, we use a softener, a word that makes the no feel less painful.
Like, I'm sorry?
Yes, but even better, "I'm afraid."
I am afraid? Like I am scared of the plan? I'm afraid of the cinema?
No, Ethan. In B1 English, "I'm afraid I can't" means "I'm sorry, but it is not possible."
Ah, so I'm afraid I have plans already.
Exactly. And then you must give a reason. Don't just say no. Say, "I'm afraid I can't because my mother is visiting."
Okay, I'm afraid I can't because I need to wash my noisy dog.
Well, that is a reason. And then the final step, rescheduling.
Rescheduling. That's a big word. It means changing the time, right?
Yes. Can we do it another time? Or how about next week? Okay, Ethan, we decided to go to the tea house on Saturday at 2 o'clock. We're meeting in front of the station.
I say, let's meet at 2 o'clock.
Good. But we can also ask, where shall we meet? And what time suits you?
What time suits you? That sounds very professional, Amelia.
It is. It means what time is good for you.
Okay, and I can say, shall we meet in front of the station?
Perfect use of "shall we." This is a great way to make a final decision. Ethan, I think our weekend plan is perfect now. We are going to the tea house on Saturday at 2 o'clock. We're meeting in front of the station.
And I didn't have to watch a 2-hour cat movie. Success!
Not yet, because now I am going to test you.
Oh no, the quiz?
Yes, the quiz, but this time it's a social quiz. I will put you in difficult situations and you must find the polite way out.
Oh no. Friends, stay with me. I need your help for this one.
Don't go anywhere. The invitation challenge is coming next. Welcome back to the final round. Ethan, you learned a lot today. You learned how about, I'm afraid, and would you prefer. But now, can you use them in a real conversation?
My tuxedo is ready, Amelia. I am ready to be the most polite man in England.
We will see. Friends, this is for you too. Listen to the situation and choose the best answer. Scenario number 1. Your boss invites you to a dinner on Saturday, but you are very tired and you want to stay at home. What do you say to your boss? A. No, I am tired. Maybe next time. B. I'm afraid I can't make it on Saturday, but thank you for the invitation. C. Why don't we do it on Monday?
A is too rude. C is okay, but it's my boss. So I think B is the best tuxedo English.
Correct. I'm afraid I can't make it is the perfect professional way to say no. 1 point for Ethan. Scenario number 2. You are with a friend. You want to go to a concert, but your friend doesn't like loud music. How do you suggest a different plan? A. Okay, what would you prefer to do instead? B. You are boring. Let's go anyway. C. I don't care. I'm going to the concert.
Definitely A. I am a good friend, Amelia. I want my friend to be happy too.
Exactly. What would you prefer to do instead is a great B1 sentence. It shows you care about the other person. Now, a question for our listeners. Imagine I say, shall we meet at 7 o'clock tonight? But you are busy until 8 o'clock. How do you change the time politely? Write your sentence in the comments. Could we or how about? Use the words we learned today.
Yes, I want to see your best negotiation sentences.
Now, Ethan, the final step. You made the plan, you negotiated the time, but how do you finish the conversation so everyone is sure?
I say, see you there?
That is good, but a B1 student should say, let's confirm the details.
Let's confirm the details. Oh, that sounds very organized.
Yes, you can say, so that's Saturday at 2 p.m. at the station. See you then.
So that's Saturday at 2 p.m. at the station. See you then. It's like a summary of the plan.
Exactly. It prevents mistakes. No one wants to wait at the wrong station for 2 hours. Well, friends, we have reached the end of our 5th episode.
I feel much more confident now, Amelia. Making plans is not scary anymore. It's actually fun.
I'm so glad to hear that, Ethan. To our listeners, English is a bridge. It's a way to make new friends and have new experiences.
Yes, don't be afraid to invite someone for a coffee. Use would you like to or how about. The worst they can say is no, and now you know how to handle that.
Exactly. Practice these phrases this weekend. Invite a friend, make a plan, and use your English in the real world.
And tell us how it goes. Did they say yes? Did you negotiate? We want to hear your stories.
Thank you for listening to the Slow Talk podcast. We are so proud of your progress. You are getting better every single day.
Yes, like and subscribe for more episodes. And Amelia, see you on Saturday at 2 o'clock.
See you then, Ethan. Don't be late.
I'm leaving now. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye. Stay slow, stay safe.